everyone, this is Joy from Standby to Fly. So our oldest son works for major airlines, which allows us to fly in unsold seats. So for the last 3 years, monthly, we've been going both local and international and having a wonderful time. So today I just wanted to share a few little tips and tricks to help you out on your long flights. So we're going to talk about neck pillows. I have tried all different kinds. The ones that wrap around your neck, the ones that have the plastic that wrap, the ones that are like snakes, the blow-up ones. Tried a huge variety of different ones. The things that I have problems with is when I am using that neck pillow, it has to be attached to my backpack. Then my backpack's falling over or gets scuffed or gets dropped on the floor, and therefore that neck pillow then becomes dirty and I'm putting it against my face. So not only that, but when we travel, anytime you have a backpack with a neck pillow, you know that's obviously a tourist. And so that kind of sends out a big red flasher, tourist, great pickpocketing operation. So the last international flight we went on, we actually were so fortunate to get on, but we were in the very last seats, back by the bathrooms, that the seats that didn't recline. Luckily, with most overnight internationals, you get a blanket and a pillow. So this one, obvious, is a lot larger than the pillow that you get on board, but it's usually about this size. So I'm going to show you a little hack I came up with. Actually going to use the long part of the blanket, and I'm doing it up here so you can see it. Then is what we're going to do is we're actually going to take our pillow and roll it in the blanket while keeping the sides out. Okay, so this doesn't look beautiful, but so that you get the idea, I'm going to take the pillow, wrap it around my neck, and then I'm going to tie it in a knot. Okay, so this doesn't look as glorious as something, beautiful, but it's definitely going to do the trick when you're stuck on a plane and everyone's asleep and hopefully nobody's watching or judging. And then it works perfect as a pillow to keep your neck up. The great thing is once your flight is over, you simply untie it and leave it on the seat, and you don't have to carry it around. You don't have to pack it around. You don't have to worry about it getting dirty, and you have to have it against your face. So hopefully this little tip helped you, and please like and subscribe. It encourages me to keep posting these new ones, and I'm on a journey this year to actually make more of these little clips. So hopefully they'll help you out. Have a wonderful week.